Good medical morning. This is Watson with all your tonsil stone highlights from around the web. Let me show you some of the most popular tonsil stone removal clips from Reddit. Also, if you get tonsil stones, make sure to pick up a lighted medical pick from Amazon. I'll put a link below to the best one available. The cheaper made ones may break, and that can be dangerous. These are hand inspected and shipped from the good old USA. I'll have a little more about them at the end of the video. Stick around after this word about lighted picks for a few more clips. Enjoy.